kids and parents, are you ready to make these Sweeties Sundae cookies? This is our premier decorating technique for our Cool Kids Cafe box, and I could not be more excited for you to decorate them. Of course, you get to decorate them any way that you want, but we're going to show you one technique, which is using the different colors of the pink, the chocolate, and the white to make these beautiful cookies that turn out just like this. So pretty. Now, when you're making the cookies, I always try to at least make the cookies 1/4 of an inch high so they're nice and sturdy when you're going to bake them. You have all the essentials that you need in your box. You've got your cookie cutter, you have your sprinkles. Only put a few sprinkles on so that there's not too many sprinkles. So it's just a hint of sprinkles. This one is a little chocolate one. Then I have one that is vanilla and chocolate. The nice thing about the chocolate is you just add unsweetened cocoa powder to your royal icing, and it makes this beautiful chocolate that looks like chocolate ice cream, which we love. And then you have your red hots for the little cherries on top, and then of course you have your pink color as well. And I just hope you have a lot of fun making this. Go ahead and watch the tutorial and you're ready to get started. Happy decorating. Here are some examples of the cookies that you're going to make step by step. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need with the royal icing, coloring it pink, white, and chocolate with your sprinkles and your red hots and pink color and piping bags. First, you're going to outline the sundae glass. Here I've just made some scallops, and then I'm just outlining. You just squeeze very carefully, cut a very small hole. And what the outline does is it creates a border, letting it dry for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to fill in around the border. And sometimes, if it doesn't fill all the way up, just take a toothpick or something sharp and go ahead and fill in all of the holes. Now you're just going to make a big smile with some white icing, with a few more scallops and some lines to give some dimension to the glass. Using the same white, you're now going to make just a vanilla sundae, filling in all of the white here to make it look like ice cream, leaving the very top clean because you're going to add the little cherry on top. But put your sprinkles on first, and then add the dollop and your little cherry. Now we're going to do the chocolate on top. Putting a little bit of vanilla, circle it around, and then adding that chocolate after you use the sprinkles. And then again, make a dollop and put the cherry on top. Enjoy!